Hey everyone! Welcome back to itsNatzysKitchen. Today I'm gonna be making puff pastry dough. Now this puff pastry recipe is so easy to make and foolproof. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, into a bowl, add in the flour and the salt and give it a mix. Then add in the chunks of cold butter and give it another mix. Next comes in our ice cold water and mix until fully combined. Transfer the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and shape the dough into a disc. Wrap the disc in parchment paper and refrigerate for an hour. Dust your work surface with a little more flour and roll out the dough into a rectangle. Then fold as shown, turn and roll out again. Repeat this process for about 6 times. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post a new video every week. Now wrap the dough and refrigerate for 2 hours. Dust your work surface with some more flour. I'm cutting the dough in half because I want to make 2 designs. I'm going to refrigerate the other half while I make the first one. To make the puff pastry sheets, we're going to roll out the dough into about half a centimeter thickness. Stack the trimmings of dough on top of each other. This is how you're supposed to use the stacked trimmings of dough. Do a little egg wash and bake in a preheated oven. Our jam flowers are done. Now I'm going to use the other half of my dough and make the second design. Just roll it into a thin sheet. And now I'm spreading my easy homemade Nutella on top of the pastry sheet. You can find the link in the description box down below. Make sure to check out the description box down below for the ingredients and click over here to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week with another amazing recipe. Bye bye!